The first question says, equilibrium price is the price at which what?
The amount consumers demand is equal to the amount sellers supply.
Supply. So equilibrium price is the price of agreement between the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied. So the answer is B.
Yes.
Okay. Question 2. It says the market is experiencing a shortage. What will happen to price and sales as the market moves back to equilibrium? The market is experiencing a shortage.
And supply.
The shortage means short supply. That means short supply. Okay. So what will happen to price and sales as the market moves back to equilibrium?
Price will decrease. Increase.
Price will what?
Increase and sales will decrease.
Price will increase.
Yes.
And sales will what?
Decrease. Because or it rise. Rise.
A market is listen.
Wait.
A market is experiencing a shortage. That means demand is more than supply. That is what shortage means. Demand is what? More than supply. Good. So what will happen to price and sales as the market moves back to equilibrium?
Increases.
Prices will increase, and sales will what?
Increase, right?
Will rise, because there's a shortage in the market, which means the demand for that product is increasing. So as the business is moving to equilibrium, prices will what? Will rise. At the same time, sales will rise. I think it's clear.
Yes.
Question 3. If there's excess demand in the market, what is the relationship between price and equilibrium price and sales and equilibrium sales?
Price below equilibrium.
When there's excess demand.
Excess demand, yeah.
So excess demand means what?
Price will be below the equilibrium.
Price is below what? Below equilibrium.
Yes.
Okay. And so your options should be between C and D. Yes or no?
Yes.
So price will be below equilibrium. Yes. And sales and equilibrium, what happens?
It's above, because demand will.
So what happens to sales and equilibrium sales?
Sales will be above the equilibrium. Or below.
Sales will be below.
Below, because there's no supply.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when there's excess demand in the market, the relationship between price and equilibrium price is that price will be below equilibrium, because we said excess demand is based on equilibrium, based on price being set below equilibrium price. When price is set below the equilibrium price, producer will not be willing to produce. Yes or no? Yes. So sales and equilibrium say, what happens to equilibrium? What happens to sales? Below. It will be below. That is why we are having excess demand. Firms will not be willing to produce, to supply into the market. Why? Because they want the product to be short. They want shortage again, so they can raise the price. They can raise the price. Sorry. Question 4. A market is operating with a disequilibrium price. What must this mean?
Operating with a disequilibrium price.
They said the market is in disequilibrium. That's what it means. So if the market is in disequilibrium, what does it mean?
Does it mean demand and supply are not equal?
Demand and supply are not equal. Yes. So the answer is A. Yeah, right?
Yes. So question.
All right. So you do those ones.